Hi guys, welcome back to Glamorous Journals. So today's video is going to be yet another self-quarantine day in my life sort of a vlog. You guys seem to really enjoy the previous vlog, so I and Dinkle thought as to why not do another one since the lockdown is now extended. So you might as well enjoy this one as well. And in case if you haven't watched the previous vlog, I will link it down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out. And right now it is 11:15 and I haven't done anything except brushing my teeth. I usually wake up like at 10:30, 11 only during this quarantine because the days seem much shorter. Now I usually work out in the morning, but I work out on alternate days. So I worked out yesterday, so I'm not gonna do it today. And I try and work out like 4 days a week. I think that's enough. I don't want to overdo myself. And yeah, so workout is not on the list today. So I usually start my days with workout and then cleaning the house. I don't let my mom do it because it's just too much. So I clean the entire house. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now as well. I think that I showed that in the previous vlog as well, but that's what I've been doing. Like my house is white, okay? Like I have white walls, as you can see. I have white floor. I have white furniture, as you can see, and it's just really hard to maintain, okay? So we have to clean it and maintain it like every single day. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah. Guys, I just got done with the jhadu, pocha and kapde sukhana, as you saw. Oh my god, that literally took up 1.5 hours and you just saw it in like what, 10 seconds. But it was a good cardio. I'm literally like sweating. I'm gross. But now it's time to do the dishes. Guys, I just got done with my shower as well as lunch, and now it's time for dessert. So yesterday night I made some watermelon popsicles and I kept it in the freezer overnight, so I think they should be ready by now. So yeah, let's take a look on them. Okay, so let's take this out and see. Oh my god, this looks so freaking good. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do a taste test. This is how it looks. It is so good, so refreshing. Actually, it tastes exactly like watermelon juice, but in the form of a popsicle, and it's so chilled. I just got done with my dessert fiesta at home. Everyone really enjoyed the watermelon popsicles, by the way. And now I have a Zoom call meeting with Shein. If you don't know, I've been working with Shein for almost 2 years now, and we had to plan on some quarantine content that we've been creating together. So that's the reason we're doing it on Zoom, because there's no other way to communicate. So yeah. Okay guys, and now I have the afternoon to myself, so I thought of doing my brows. I've been doing them at home since this quarantine is going on. We can't go to the salons. I usually get it threaded at salons, but sometimes when I'm not able to go to a salon, I use these eyebrow razors. This is from Miniso. It comes in a set of 2 like this. It is for 190 rupees. these. I got it a long time ago, but never really used that much. So I don't do anything crazy, just but I have a couple of extras over here, so I just shave them off so that it looks a little bit more defined. So I have my mirror right here. So yeah, let's do this. So yeah guys, I just got done with my eyebrows. I don't know if you can tell a difference. Like me, I feel so much better. I'm so thankful to God that I bought these razors in time, and I'm sorted for my brows and even for my face. I have the Tinkle razors. I use those only to get rid of my peach fuzz as well as this area. Even for my body, I use the Gillette Venus Breeze razor for the longest time. I've been using it for over a year and it works perfectly amazingly, and trust me, there's no dark hair growth or faster hair growth or nothing of that sort. Those are just myths. So yeah, I'm sorted for my hair removal. Now what to do? I think I'm gonna organize my lipsticks. I actually had this in mind. I was just procrastinating. I have so many lipsticks, it's not even funny, and I really need to organize everything. So I think I'm gonna do that because it's almost 5 o'clock now. My entire afternoon just went away working and doing, so I just need some makeup therapy. So I'll probably do that. So let's go. Okay, so this is my small little makeup corner in my room. I've already done a makeup collection video. In case you want to check it out, the link will be there down below. And I just took out my everyday lipstick organizer from my vanity over here because I need to organize that as well. And I'll just take out the other lipsticks that I own, which are there in the drawers below, and there are a lot. So I'll give you like a good time lapse right now, so enjoy. Oh my god, you guys, I literally spent the last 2 hours or 1.5 hours to organize just my lipsticks. Lipsticks are one thing that gets messed up so quickly in my collection, and I really procrastinated, but I'm so glad I did this. Now everything's really sorted. I need to get a couple of more organizers because I still have a couple of lipsticks that have no space to go into something, but right now obviously I can't buy any organizers. But as soon as this gets over, I am definitely gonna buy more organizers. If you're wondering, both these organizers that I showed you were from Shein. So yeah, that's that. And I'm a lipstick hoarder. I do not get rid of lipsticks easily. Like even right now, I got rid of just 3 lipsticks, trust me. And I know they've expired, and that's the reason I'm getting rid of them. But other than that, I just cannot get rid of it, and I'm a hoarder. But oh my god, I am so breathless right now. Now what I'm up to is it's my dinner time. So I'm gonna have dinner and then I'll see you guys in a bit. But before I go and have dinner, I quickly wanted to share this new wardrobe situation that we've built. I mean, not we, the carpenter had built a long time ago, but I didn't get a chance to show it to you guys. So let me show you that and then I'm gonna have dinner. So basically, if you have seen my vanity tour, you know this mirror, and then I have a curtain over here, and then that's the window, and this is the cabinet that I'm talking about. It's outside, it's sort of in the balcony, and let me show you guys what's inside. This is how it looks when you open up. I shifted all of my bags over here because I really wanted them to be like really color coordinated, and I wanted everything to be visible. So that's the reason I've kept all of my black bags over here, all of my nude bags over here, and I have a mix of everything like red, blue, white, gold, mix of everything over here. So earlier my bags used to be in my wardrobe itself. I have done a bag collection video as well, so in that I had showed you that it's in my closet, but I have moved it to this wardrobe outside the room, and this is so much more convenient. I can see all the bags really nicely. We also have this second cabinet niche, where I have a mix of miscellaneous things. So here I have all of my Polaroid cameras. I'm sorry if you're hearing crows and everything. A lot of PR boxes and stuff, and I bought these baskets, and I have a lot of skincare and excessive things over here. And this I have all of my Indian jewelry. So I just wanted to show you guys that organizer slash cupboard that we got made for my room, because clearly I have a lot of stuff and I didn't have space, so we had to build a cabinet in the balcony. But that sort of looks nice. Now let's go and see what my mom is making for dinner. So guys, I just got done with my dinner, and now I am gonna watch some Netflix or probably some YouTube videos and just chill in bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and also to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we put up a new video. Stay home, stay safe, and we will see you all in our next video now. Bye.